Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can add custom code in your hosting or website builder. So it's nothing difficult, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is click add element and there you're gonna have embed code. Do you see that? So all you have to do is take it, like wait a second, I will just go and enter the section here. Add element, embed code. And here you got it, look at that. And you're just gonna enter a code here that you want. I don't know what kind of code you want to add, but that's pretty much it, how we're gonna do it. So yeah. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. Happy to help you. And you're gonna find right here, add element, embed code, and you got it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.